Suzuki just dropped something absolutely wild. And trust me, you're going to want to hear about this. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where we break down the machines that matter. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Suzuki RM-Z 1050, and this bike is turning heads for all the right reasons. Design. Let's talk looks. Suzuki went aggressive with the design language here. Sharp body lines, a redesigned shroud system, and that signature Suzuki yellow popping against matte black accents. The ergonomics have been completely reworked too, with a slimmer profile that makes the bike feel nimble between your legs, even with that massive displacement. Performance. Now, the heart of this beast. A 1050cc liquid-cooled engine that delivers power in a way that's both brutal and refined. The power band is incredibly linear, giving you predictable throttle response whether you're crawling through technical sections or pinning it down straightaways. The updated suspension setup handles everything you throw at it, soaking up bumps while maintaining stability at speed. Tech and features. Tech-wise, Suzuki isn't playing around. The RM-Z 1050 features adjustable engine mapping with 3 ride modes, quick adjust compression damping, and a digital display that's actually readable in some light. The hydraulic clutch is butter smooth, and the electric start fires up instantly every single time. Conclusion. The 2026 Suzuki RM-Z 1050 is a serious contender that delivers where it counts. Drop a comment below with your thoughts, smash that like button if you enjoyed this review, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth looks at the latest releases. Catch you in the next one!